Well, so often you hear about a loan modification or you hear about refinancing your home. What about the legal side of any one of those actions that you may take on your home? We've brought in Kurt Franke once again with the legal side of real estate to talk about loan modifications and home refinancing. Legally, let's talk about a home refinancing. What should we be heads up to?
Well, I think the good news is right now, if you have equity in your home, there's a lot of opportunity out there to bring down your interest rate. In fact, you may want to start with your own bank or definitely a reputable bank. I think where you get concerned is if you're upside down on that mortgage or you're in trouble with your mortgage, if somebody comes out of the blue, a third party that you've never heard of, comes and offers you a refinance package, that's when the red flag should go up.
What kind of red flags, what sort of things should we be thinking about when they come to us, a third party? Because we see a lot of them on TV, we hear about them on the radio, you'll see ads on the internet. What sort of things create those red flags?
Well, I think you first want to look, if anyone comes to you and suggests that if you just deed me over a portion or title to your home, and we'll do this interaction where I'll either lease it back to you or I'll somehow take care of all your debts, bundle it into one, that's when red flags should be all over the place.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Okay. As soon as you're going to give somebody else title to your property, it's going to be very difficult to get that back. And that is often a real precursor to somebody, to a scam.
That makes a lot of sense. If somebody walks down that path or they start to walk down that path, they can call you, you can help them out at that point, right?
Yeah, and I think that's exactly when you want to talk to an attorney. You know, it may be the greatest thing in the world, but usually things that sound like the greatest thing in the world can have something attached to it. And that's when it's a good idea, I think, to get the advice of an attorney and just have them look over the deal.
I think you put it, and you didn't even want to say it, a hook, because it may not be a hook in your favor is really the answer.
That's absolutely correct.
All right. If you want to know more about any one of these programs, or maybe somebody's come to you and you want to have Kurt take a look at it, be more than willing to do so, right?
I sure would.
Okay.
You can reach me at 827-6100, or you can go to my website at LOCAF, L-O-K-A-F, that's for law offices, kurtafranke.com.
And you see that web address up on the screen, of course, and you can click on that and find out a little bit more information about Kurt and his offices. That's great. Good stuff.
The address is right there somewhere, right?
Yeah, for a little while.
Great.
Thanks, Kurt. Appreciate it. Now we're going